Downsizing is not just for the retirees and empty nesters anymore. Even younger people are considering downsizing to save money on housing. Downsizing offers a multitude of benefits, and sometimes our needs change. When you think about cutting down on your spending, don't just focus on everyday purchases like coffee and takeout. While those things do add up, thank you, Dave Ramsey, try thinking big, like your home. By downsizing, you're not only reducing your mortgage payment, but also those utility bills and maintenance costs. A smaller home means lower expenses, giving you more freedom to save and spend money in different ways, like travel. It's important to ask yourself some questions first. Have your needs changed? Do you need or want all the space you have now? How much do you want to save by downsizing? Imagine this. You've built up equity over the years in your current home. Now you've decided you don't need all the extra space and you want to utilize your money in a new business or traveling, and you decide to move somewhere smaller. All the equity you've built up in your current home can now be a powerful asset to help you find a home that better fits your needs moving forward. If you're looking to save money or make a more suitable change, downsizing your home could be the key. If you want to get started or have any questions, please reach out to myself, my team. We would love to help. You can message us, comment below, or give us a call. And if you like this video, please like, share, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.